almost here to edwuma so and say me kai wa free say wo free sisi wa wonam krom so o no wo hwe wo phone so no no say to bo ase because isi no talk sipa yi ka se fa yi ka se ma talk sipa yi pa enti ye share no so na bi enti me kokama emfa mai na quickly men kai also say tickets are available Airport Shell Joy FM and as over dial star 713 star 33 star 21 hash think media wono any ye ka say Adom TV for ya can see any the passion night 2023 near the air bro we the betrayal until one the betray Jesus Christ Dr. Laiki and Asif Van Vika. It's going to be very, very interesting. Omu when the years and I say Ghana Jesus and Asalinko. Ebeye din. Inti nyame adoma kwasi the 16th of April 2023 at the National Theatre. Yeah, the sa jumedi bro kwanso kosokra. Can we say Pa Thomas Bebasi episode so abeto jom Joy's Blessing and a Heavenly Jewels so once beba abeto kwanyum kama edia my ticket libi na makacho no o ton ntema ibia qualify. So when a free health screening from 1 to 4 p.m. and Sanya ticket now to the Betmayabano. Standard tickets near 50 Ghana City, VIP near 80 Ghana City, and to call Airport Shell, Oko Joy FM, Obey Jumakuima, Joy FM front desk, Ubenebi, Oko Dams Premium, and as all dilate star 713 star 33 star 21 hash. No one you be na fe. One our boy chidomo kwanso so anti amasardine in tomato paste. Dams Premium Travel and Tour and a Jet Medical Services. One other man on us. Some person calls a boy as well. 055-1111-998. 055-1111-998. No one. Eddie Juma Okwanso. So it's the big show on the 16th of April, National Theatre. Think Media, Adom TV, yeah, the air, bro. Because they didn't pay for Atnasi. You know for I pay. Atnasi re-elect Atnasi. Best makers, I wanna lawyer Chumber Masakacho share. Now one be Jano, Yakoba Copen, one be Jadwama, re-elect a Koyajuma. IP. Is it the one Kasabi because what can you answer na Mogangi? And I'm going to Jim 70 more say, bring back IP any seminar condo. So, what about Papa?
You know me, you're not then.
Oh, Adom.
What are you?
That's CP. Maybe I come out
for questions here, but
what's about releasing more in making come out tea?
Makin kan but say tiefun ti na bekan dia makasa
so did that so
makasa da makin kan
how would you na pop to say
oh I hear them
lawyer chu oh lawyer those why say me no o free baby bear 12 lawyer ya chimney ya santini esa fan
na no dam kushia no we be at no ya kushia me ko no chia me mama ko na trans na me say na o tu ka o fini a we e go fine
baby o fina be bree e di bra be ba na adwini bi so person ko no kusi akan bi no ho ni be we say yes lawyer o fi mia be bree ti ni Patriotic Party for krata na enche bia mekan e de amount lawyer kwaba
yeah me
o party they say omo asho mo gime di na say
oh yeah, I think another way. And that Tuesday.
4th Tuesday.
In terms of starting right. Okay. And then we back and then we music.
It will be now.
No, up to Wednesday.
Oh, up to Wednesday.
Presidential then no more parliamentary any gusuko.
Okay. Parliamentary. Egusuko. So the new Patriotic Party NDC for so far so good. I think the only news I may have in here. That's what I Menfi kwacha ka however Menfi Central am say one say any panel baako say onye qualified or say whatever but
at the end man qualified
but minimum details that's what I've heard that the insurance executives no and so almost on the press conference and other places so we will listen to the press conference that we can just look at it.
I think say one more vet no nhwe ne ma baako me bi Sanya Bibi are very crucial part there. They should just apply their discretion. in the sense that so be when say ade
what said to me no
oh so betting decides on your feet. I mean so one case but that's
what I'm saying is say almost said to me say because ade we ya clear. And
no, they can do it. And it's allowed. So I'm saying because they depend on what comes to you.
Okay.
So that's I didn't know the very extreme. Yeah, the extreme out is the way there. What the compo be a partner by here what's now.
Okay.
So that's in case the person wins.
Okay.
In the primaries now, if be a partner who can be effect to be what's not be there.
Okay.
Then I heard they also because the more not be a very so grievous there. Now something trivial. I think you can just apply your discretion and move on.
Okay, so we
because I wouldn't disqualify will be no Ophelia. This is kind of non-run about it. Yeah, that is why I'm saying that they should apply discretion. Because we are counting so far on your crown quarter, but so far we are going to spend could be spend about 50,000 or so.
And yeah, even on the average,
yeah, or more. It be the abroad, but the average, about 50,000. Enti oman no hwe economy and then we now be 50,000 na ze ni ba kono zankan ono an sika na ne zankan yes as disqualified no serious enti say net too extreme dia I think they should apply some discretion and then
okay so yeah him say whatever transpires or no ebiji honko but for immediate release and rather the better abonting New Patriotic Party approves timelines for presidential and parliamentary primaries. The New Patriotic Party, at its National Executive Committee, NEC, and National Council meetings held on Monday, April 3, 2023, approved the timelines for the holding presidential and parliamentary primaries of the party for the 2024 general elections. The approved timelines are as follows: presidential primaries, opening of nominations into Mr. Muntie, Joga Tete, Freya Kototie, Ira Chairman-Tintie.
Freya Koto Okobiana.
Yeah. Former Greek minister.
Okobi.
He's in the race.
Okay. Now you know Muja said the name of what president I went to answer.
Ochile Muna no want to say. So without being a flag bearer, how can he become president?
No mind today. Yeah, before we had to be a question, why do you want to be president? I mean, is that not to be a flag bearer? Is that not a distinction between being a flag bearer? The question was very specific. He didn't ask you why do you want to be a flag bearer.
I cannot jump to
well, Musa said why he knew that there is a position called flag bearer. Well, Musa no. Well, so why do you want to be a president? To lead the country.
We have demonstrated why we want to be a president. UPSC. When we said agriculture can be the focus of Ghana's development.
It's not an NPP.
No, one thing. I'm so surprised.
Why do you want to be president?
Interview. Interview at the beside this.
What do you
no person or your president.
Yeah, I don't say.
No, see.
I need to be a flag bearer.
Or your president.
Because when the flag bearer,
yes.
Oh,
Mamma, oh, son of kind. When none of them for me. Oh, yes. No, what can I say? Yakasa, I'm not sure. The other way around. That's order.
Why, some out here, okay?
No, so Obi Casson and Anno.
Then was a lawyer.
Now we're crying issue.
I'm surprised.
I'm not from Baba Church in my way from. I'm not Baba Church, we say, and yes, I'm not patch it. Most of us are president.
And person called Makola. Oh, that because me, I heard you. I said we LLB knew again.
Wow, deviation as I want to add me.
No. What Baba Church? What's the
man couldn't answer the question. Also, tell me
presidential primaries, but one man wanted contestants in credit. Yeah, me too. So, nomination is on the 26th of May 2023. Closing of nomination is on the 24th of June. And what do you never you say Ira Jogati, Ira Chemate, Ira Freya Kutu, Ira Kennedy Japan, Ira Baumia, Ira Lanchemate.
Baumia is
Ira the vice president of the land.
Oh, Umbi,
he's in the race.
Waka.
Of course, he's in the race.
No, Waka now.
None of the sort of Mukudi Jimebi or
but someone can't start.
Oh, but clearly,
1 million on kind of million word man. You're trying.
At the move, what you be some
What the money will be on you.
Okay, so special electoral college elections, if any, on the 26th of August 2023, National Congress, 4th November 2023, parliamentary primaries orphan constituencies. Opening of nominations 16th of June 2023. Closing of nominations 14th July 2023. Elections 1st August.
I don't know as a Muwasa.
Second.
You date and I was like, I don't know when I opening and closing. As a Muwa.
There be campaign period, no.
Say yeah, campaign don't enough time to convince people.
Yes. But finally, maybe I meant yes, and say in the orphan constituency.
I'm not raising issues.
When they found.
Hey, Debbie, are you interested?
Yeah, well, so. No, what do you
they are very good candidate to may destroy NPP and NDC. All
you may destroy NPP.
I mean, it's only because I wanted to move on.
They don't pay we lawyer.
Yeah, credible candidate. I also to may destroy NDC. Major Mahama, one may PM. Into I was here to Yamboas. Near scrutinize process. Until be the best of our best.
Okay.
One more man in a men's cook. And no one can
so let me see. The best from our best.
The lawyer. Hey,
one man in a men's cook.
Men's cook, what you the power?
Papa. But no one even know.
80 constituencies with sitting MPs in Papachomo who said maybe nominations on the 20th of December.
No, we this year.
I know they will say party.
This is one ambition.
Oh, Ghana fast here. This is baby I was sitting MPs in the
yeah. No,
but you know most of them also have ambitions.
If you want to be an MP, resign.
Resign.
Come also the resign create the uncle.
See, I don't know. Man, you didn't.
So they would me if you want to pay. Say they was here but one papa to pay. How why pay boko there?
You may don't boko.
There's an news that even so. Kohana bla.
Nano da a 12 years no parliament I for fair.
Wajato me.
But guta for one say bebre. Omo guta for
Say guta for some do kan kwa na
some no mo kana.
Ma hene me nchia wetie fo. Na me nchia he says the president na Akufo-Addo. Ene na pamfo nyina. Nchia owura ala nkwade kira maten so. Na me baby a otie mafi bia no. Onyere no ho. Grounds me very fertile for him.
For Alan Chemantin.
Exactly. Now,
for Alan Chemantin.
I don't know when you're smoking.
No, but you know, maybe.
And I don't know what you're
my man is not to be some question. Minia baby, Eridin Awada. Your friend Hetty. I will hot dance on my team. Yes,
dance man.
That's my. Or catch me or team new to this program. My main channel. Man, I wear papa
and I wouldn't do it in what
Nakopon can win Shaman in America any year.
So why do you think Alan Chemantin is winning the flag raising contest?
Well, we say in every elections, it happens in NDC, it happens in NPP, in other jurisdictions, it happens. Anytime they are able to call internal primaries BC, now able to acquire the party versus the government, the party wins.
What does that mean?
Yes. It's your president go for Ebreso. Emra government no contested the party. The party says no. We want
men parties. What's the party versus government?
Yes. Anytime the party contests
there's a party
the government
or candidate. And a government is your candidate.
A picture will be painted. Clearly you will see.
So is it happening today?
It happens in 2008.
Is it happening now?
It happens in 2008.
Now in the answer.
It's here next.
It's 2008 and the party won.
So i.e. the party candidate near wine.
Don't pretend. Me see, it's 2008.
No, I don't even know.
And government they nearby me. Assembly now. Someone come on.
No. I.e.
And see, elections
this is
parliament.
This is a political education that will help all of us. Because one, I have never paid attention to the party person and the government person.
Thank you.
It's important.
Your bill nomination here start to campaign. Who is the party person?
So how does it happen? The party person.
Some will say delegate. NPP young electoral college near the Kwakwa. It's pyramid. It's pyramid.
Okay.
Now the base is about 200,000 delegates.
200,000.
Yeah, and that is 208,000. Base no
that is the branches
every police station we have 5 people. That's about 30
yes
200 that is what the party is. So if you are doing campaign now paint a picture say government no contested party and the party wins.
Because I see off on the party for
that is party people from the constituency chairman out to the
yeah did you mean was rock a
so was only one so
yeah did you mean
but on someone chairman this is a very big platform but that will be a did you mean
oh there be
what me can near order to go
I mean all education and I'm saying normally if you do the pyramid format I see only per go
sir
base me from constituency chairman down if you like you add the regional executive.
Coming from
it is a campaign.
That's how
who painted picture say. Let us whip the government in line. If you do that, the base is left for your opponent to pick, and the base is 200,000. Again, as against the.
I think Matthias, that means it's a contest of the base, i.e., the party against the government. And so
the apex at the top.
Government definitely, Baumia will suffer.
Oh, no, I said, and
then Allah will go for.
At 2008, that's what I'm going to we know there was a business with hey, you know.
2001 on a party, no.
Some party, then you could.
I know the call.
Yes, that's what
but that's
a nice democratic.
In Janano, I Baumia on government, which I am before you to do the and you're quite yes, there's a straw for no man means that now
in a year now. Sika ahwodin bibia ewo the top na base no so ekita power it nana make kan obi say people in power versus people with power
yeah
NPP ni still
people in power
I don't know
that's what they can you don't know
was what party
no me busa say bia wa free
that's what better wa kasa wo ko I own Nadia, but also
I'm say me big busa question.
You are not
people in power and people with power. No, make us and I don't just have anything.
So, oh boy, be a corner, and then this is should have to learn more. It's really what's also the petrol, which don't hear what's it's a conversation today. No party. Oh, but I told me, sir, good for Casa. Surprisingly, the speaker and so because Onyen from Subia, Kwan Faswa, G2 say the yes people, no, say more money in parliament, and I win it for the day. No. What really is wrong with the tax sniper?
Actually, I tell our parliament, preliminary honor, chamber honor. In NPP, you know, as not be who be a chamber, no, not be a coso outside the chamber. Nti bills no I say financial amendment send you hu ya NPP no speaker be refer eda koma finance committee say omo hwem na omo report na say omo kohwem a omo take decision e wo committee level and sana aba na ni majority for can say ye ko share wo committee level no ye nyina afanu ni nyina e na afi winim say the ratio between the majority and the minority now is very slim. Some of the committees are 50-50. I don't know much about finance committees. I think it's one person different or 50-50 if it is. It is a committee for them, and minority for them very strong at the committee level. I can be to me a jina na omabogu. But majority for me at say at the committee level, when you get to it, wo over bedu chamber ho na afei group no minority for be kasi dabi ye na makasa no ye gitun mu ewo kokoam nti ade ye mpene wo ba sa wanye fair to your group it say who opportunity say at the committee level be kasi mpene so na mato aba na ya report e be report be majority report say the majority report no eba parliament and the next speaker him say a majority report ye kwa head count and a secret ballot. But once report na eba na majority report na minority report na report afanu ni nyina age atomo no impempi no speaker you obehu sa report you be recommended for voice votes. Something I can say
because afanu ni nyina already no ma clear.
Yeah, clear. Because mo na mo report aba. Ena more minority for no more ranking member in the group na committee level no age report na to and NPP you see lay report na majority sorry the committee chairman and the lay report no na wa introduce motion no na ranking member no a second motion second dia or run commentary kakra it commentary ranking member na be run na no so be inform speaker say committee no minority na age atom at the committee level and now wonye ntom na MPP no ansa na be ka se yekọ head count and now yekọ voice votes and now yekọ secret ballot no MPP no speaker tie both sides of the house the majority and the minority no be count nti me dey just say say age atom e say say yekọ for IMF bailout bailout na yekọ na nkyere say yakoko tena hwa na IMF so mu na ye fenti mu da Ghana for me beje sika no what we expect say you be put your house in order at least you be boy home den kakra asena obi atumi aboa say obi aboa so no wagya wo na gagu hu nkoye te se na agasa akokoto yan so na wagya wo na nti ehu be hia say sa 3 billion na eba ne se bedumpo na nya ye fi ye nsiesie fo yenga kasa ya anya mobilization kakra anya say yeboa ye ho next kind ba if I share what yenya with kind ho no yenya eninti era finance minister say young more than NPP kakra bia be 4 billion Ghana cedis na yen fa in support your budget no 2023 budget yen fa support no kakra asana say IMF scan ba no na say ye wonyina so kakra ye betumi di scan no aye adwuma nti ade a afanu ni nyina age atom yeah, you say Guta any manufacturing companies nibi ababontin akasi ministry no and woman yet
no engagements
yeah a lot of consultation now sasem no brofu bia na nsen aba me dwene ho amenti ase obi anu a oye tax awa too midway me NPP yes I've been a MP for 12 years I like the party I speak for the party but say me wo business bi na tax bi ba ebe hit me business
Ontiase
me nka se me help people nti na awa to the beji me dia me fe eno ya e beji nti ero na finance ministers ni expert tax experts or finance ministry any government me na say ya ka se tax bi e de bebe bia no I just say ya na amafo no kwatranse e kodwene ho a if you don't take time we will not even get any tax introduced enya ade ye betumi anya tax bi ase be ya adwuma because o man hene wutuwe yeah, the tax be by business I will run him. That's a cat to say, open our own power. It's in Pempino near strategy in Ghana all over the world. Even in America, advanced country, what the baby we are. Now, I feel Casabu or where no Macasa Sata in the parliament, I jar to me. Not tax the Baba Jumano. Not one day, Nippon bit to tax on Atanasi. No natural or Kwan or Fascia will be tax on. Since I crave you a man, Sacred or parliament pass a bill in you crown every actor. Implementation level with me sakrai and affect the component or the details of the bill na the core parliament nti finance minister yes say I want to me every parliament so be to me the tax na adwuma no obekwa kwehia nipa we say tax when share one crab then what the tax na say na won so to me atua because taxpayer no so or one role or niam bi also ye ansa na aban atumi agi tax no nti woni na nhia no wan kyerɛkyerɛ ni mu no we hu ohawa e de bebre enwuma oye no na se ani ane se parliament a pass ya ma wonti ma implement for tax ne bra na se we nya fa me nti emu behia anya dia ministry of finance I na adwene say oh se see enya parliamentary approval me it ends it definitely no all the taxpayers no what side industries na e affect tax we kwakwa affect wo no better answer na on adwene ho no ngadi ta ho na on ho kwa be fa so e be tax na emfa ohaw biara emre amanfo a obabetu asa tax ampa na mitie manufacturers ni other companies ni bia so obo kan say ade we baba ma anya yebeyi yebele workers efi adwuma me je say Ministry of Finance yes research ni nyina hwe sa na ma ni nyina nti sesi a wanya approval so obeje tax no oni sa stakeholders no kwa transfer na say ebe affect wo ma woni ko obefa so ya obebua wo se na be ya enkoba se obi betumi ahwele na adwuma isa say the employer or say utua certain tax to government and metie information minister honorable Kojo Pankroma no kan and it I do with him edu stage bi say say yetumi boa aban aya na ye nuanom NDC focus amanim say me nua twum ba be kasa yi obeka ho asem na so no kwara wo ni say ye ba no ye promise say ampa we are moving from taxation to production. Now taxation production is a process. It will not even take you 4 years to do that. That's why you buy a pet and you start to say, okay, I don't think you introduce maybe a bit to me more production. And a typical example is one district, one factory. A typical example is planting for food and jobs. You introduce certain interventions here. I can remember manner very sustainable. And then for 3 years running, we are exporting more than what we import. You see, it's a good sign. But with this international crisis, the Ukraine, what's the main but it's true. And also, I don't have a better man. And yes, sir, we should another performance up to 2019. Now we share economic indices. No, meaning I said, what should me now shout and say, now we are moving from taxation to production and so, or how we buy COVID, therefore. COVID year say Ecofirm, never be Jan now so happen in Ukraine, Russia. Russia is producing 11% of the world crude. Into say, or how about that's a one production, but you can see what happens to our crude. And I wouldn't say crude because it affects every commodity on the market. Into Nanka, we're on course from moving from taxation to production till 2019. Now, encourage because now we are here auditing you who say you're building about 295 factories. And ukwa 295 factories and any na operation na adwuma and then you know to employ the needed people that you wanted to employ. Why? Because I was say you to me raw materials are you the production the companies say you hear capital our the be ni nyina yes economic crisis here abai and now you to me enya the needed raw material because anka yes fact ni nyina na sika ho na raw materials no so ye hu adwuma na o see dua o see dua na o see a crack o see a crack na o see you two of them o see you two na o see you crisis abanity edo how kakraba and no na we say ye nyina ye tiase na ye nuano ma this for so tiase say so but say wo hwe na na do na kwaku fa do aban yi pa na ubu ni ntenga oh yeah man from 2017 to 2019 to the early part of 2020 ni aye to me kukuro man edikudri na ye mi say nuano si na na mo kan ampa crisis ye nyina then na mo so mo ba be yes mo ba what is the alternative I will catch you and say crisis ye ko mo nyina opposition MP opposition government de ni anka o say ye say aban no e wo hawa na so so munya say won anya na wa catch you Ghana for say oh ye catch aban ni say onye the proposal bi tu na nim so onye wa anye intomonto aba ma ye na ye de ye ba ye be ye asema NDC and owura Adom catch NPP ni say ye ko IMF si ye hwe na say economy no ye ho a kire yen ye hwe na say international crisis no ama how about ye ko IMF if it say ye say ye nko but they insisted say mon ko IMF ampa yes ye train hu say enam yi levy ye say introduce ya entumi anya say ye pay entumi ye the target nti ye ya adwe say ampa IMF ne be ko ampa ya ko IMF gusu a wo ye preparation no abesu ye ngasen nti say IMF sika ne ba biem na wo ge Ghana ni na kwato abama NDC ni John Mahama no we bisa ho say one solution to the crisis is yanko IMF no so yakọ it says ya wo ba dem pa potin na NDC wo na Ghana fo biem wo ba ba sen akukuru economy na ye de akọ IMF de down no asan de akọ biem ana dem apart from IMF no one chiren adesronko a obe na no bisa NDC ni bisi say ya musi yanko IMF that the solution to the crisis yakọ IMF no mo so mo ba dem na mo be ye also ba betwa S gracia na me wira ho ne say wo hwe S gracia yetua si yetwa mu a sika ye benya for 10 years yetwa S gracia mu for 10 years a sika ye benya no enye sika enu betumi asiesie economy in any way si ye betwa mu si ye ntwa mu that is not the position that I'm coming from me try say if your solution to Ghana crisis economic crisis now is to cancel IMF then now you have no solution to cancel S gracia, yeah. Now you have no solution because ultra S gracia man, the dividends and now sika ubenya from cancel of S gracia. It can't even fund free senior high school. Says canumpo, and to me free senior high school 1% of the sika here they are supporting free senior high school. It's also about or the private schools can't free senior high school. I would say Emma Ghana but can't Yan Amagana Bokanti, Yanya review, Nanya cost share, and parents into Yabi. I feel Uba, what the private schools Baba Kahun, Nana, the private school Bakahan, and Moganaka, and more money in San Echi, and so money is Casamana. Ghana for your best Muntie. Not Muntie and Sama, Yenuanum, and DC for Wakano. Not Mama Yenina, 5 unit. Na yam makwana NPP are buying and trust and check you to me breaking 8, you know. Nienya at least 24 years in addition to 8 years now. And no ma shall say agenda 111 I shall say you to me one disease, one faction I shall say you free senior high school and there you are about 1 million students are what about a one year work with university. If you move 20% crack university, we are going to get about 200,000 graduates. Once you can over why you are through income tax acquire Adom, I bet for the cost, the money we are spending today on free senior high school. Abang biara or say abang disika investing in education for consumption and who need fashion is abang only on my agenda papa more man. Oko Singapore country biara a 60% higher education in that country, you know. You
will try one about lawyer Chumberry, my Yakwaba. You for I pay a one, the lawyer Chumberry, so I'm saying, very much unfortunate boy, Kodia, Kumau, my hene, and a pay Nana, good morning. I for him for Yanani, him in Yachia Monso, and a pay. Yet was that true. What Chiana nice, so booming. Sabati Hankwanda. Because Nana, order ma, where they made they say a win a kind of sonkra, it's a matcha, Mabu, Unio Kumaso, as you know, so is a legend. Made by a free banner. Anyway, and a parent Chakuma, I have 4 native 8 Mini penny, I can sound be brave, but Penny touch a matter way, I'm pro, mine. I same Pia who can be at the home, watching. You make a reference to. You see, Nika or say, President Mama say, also could see this need and this, let's say, a queen as a before subway, actual economy, and say, back cancer as Gracia, as Gracia and Adiana, who can say, can I be good to me, naturally, or mine? Minim Obia or a presidential staffer. And that's why I'm office of the president. The first 4 years of this government, me want to check. Yes, gotta check me when. Me wouldn't miss guy when I. Amount of me who are units was 250,000 Ghana cedis. If I'm so 100, multiply it. It's because anybody. What I say? So 100. Multiply is kind of body actually. It is kind of 2.5 billion multiplied by 100. So this is what we are talking about. Yang kasakeke. Mine. Yang kasakeke. Ebiam what's your yang ko kan say yang review free SHS ne that na who say utu for akasase mu okroma about free SHS.
Yeah, the review. It's important because now quantity over quality.
Edi pado do no nemu yenhwe
quality na between about
say the papa.
Yes.
It's wholesale.
Quality education is what we need for our children,
not quantity.
Not quantity. Quality education. Yet ya boast ya mukasa baby at me kasa without fear.
Quality.
Quality education ya man wouldn't say me to him. Mama kasa na enwunyam. E free me kwala abrem be pem se be Jesus. Me tra my grandparents nchen. Me kwa if I say to about school me go be there. From KG to JSS 3. Now what we call Montessori or then time preparatory school. And kwa na me koy. Me na ba nko school da. But say be ne papa say we oba wo nya go school tranfie. My grandfather they are not a bit educated. But these two people it me ka wo montoma ba no. E ma me that quality education no. E ma na me dia foro bedu ba maduru ni. Ase no nya so ntimi nya papa.
You dilute no.
So what I say? So we need quality education for our children, not quantity. Numbers we can produce the numbers. But if the outcome na abandoning your papa, product na few abandoning your papa, we are wasting our time. And that is why we need to do a review on our education system.
So the review does not necessarily mean say bia content.
Content is important. Nana Akufo don't go this and a review means cancellation. Ono condition important is out.
Such
Review means say yes sakramu ya di bibia ni wa be hyeho ya hyene den. Hwemo den amaye. In literal terms, I can say you have reviewed the structure of this building. Okay.
So the free SHS is ongoing, but Moma Juno is seen to be in to come.
Messi minima makola be mafia. Ah, where we be. Me mamma manafu. Am then some transit work kid and number of days that Musa Colano Kosua. He can be seen in every 1 1/2 years. As well, we are school that TV. We are school TV. Me bedroom ya kwat bafo mafia. I'm telling you. Someone say, so we need quality education for our children, our sisters, our brothers. You offer us in that for the school, no, and this school no more free in the how be one. I know. And how be a me go for the second school. Me see a scholarship na ko. Because my grandparents were cocoa farmers.
Scholarship.
Well, I won't buy much. And you were anyway, saying fancy be now that because of the free education, into one should here and honestly be for anything, so it's no more. So that's it. Quality education is important, and only I can was.
But why do you raise quality when almost say quality and more combined with quantity?
And it's not true. You see, and yeah, that is our problem. Until mean a proper solution to our crisis, no. Because who can't get any pan when you say you can correct. But for political experience, won't tell you no. No, we are not saying and what am I didn't say?
But this is about education, so you can't compromise on this.
But they are doing it. They are doing it. Oh my! She said that even the heads in Nakasa Boaka Ashom. What do you mean, Kasa? Upama, as my can, Miss Sanka, you phone line and net it no and then they get it no one. Cabin the virus teachers at the Baba Canima school match of Minone. We need quality and parent beyond the Bako secondary school. So penny we penny here, we have some extra class teacher.
Yeah, I say I found video.
Because who rely on the own one, say, or Bob a grade 100 now I already open.
So those that cannot afford.
I don't know, you do the answer with Janabano when one will be wanting.
A tuning yami.
So these are the things we are talking about. And when the first papa must walk up one must one, and then we do. Name when you so when you be the other training above Naman in the Diasa. Yet, I can. And that's the pass policy in Bacoso, and I see I'm money, you know. Rather, no, you are looking at the future because some of us can school baby, your mind, and not so be a man goes with that. Any anything. Any anything. It's not just about passing to me lecture because I'm telling me, was it when you go to school or any training, that training must pass through you. Not you passing through the training.
Who pass it through? That's what you.
Of course.
A foul mudia,
Sakura was a song. And those days now, military trainers and police, and they will tell you, they are draining the civilian out of you. Near that security service. So that when the training will pass through you, not you passing through the training. I don't know, I can watch them. Now, over here, I say, Ocean Naku the band in modern band, what Buffy 2017, 18, 19, but they are not sending an abandoned one.
The figures were good.
Video figures. I didn't figures. Sure? This is a report, our news report, December 13th, 2016. 13th December 2016. IMF projects Ghana's economy to grow by 7.5% in 2017. And the anticipated growth that they came to enjoy.
Managed well.
They managed well.
Esa se foundation we lay no.
Foundation
we are 20.
Foundation be ya.
Aban na wo so share awa ye no. Wo di 2017 mo. Adumako IMC.
Oman ni banyini, ampara oman ni so nyini ye.
Ba so onya bi papa.
Oman ni betias. Messi obwa, Messi ampara oman ni nyini ye. Se enkom so no se wa bom. Simplicity.
Abusha pani very important.
Abusha pani. Abusha pani do what I don't na dey no ba so. I am telling you this. So whatever they are saying, it is not the making of kind of Rata Kufuado about me. None of them.
It was projected.
It was projected. It anticipated. You're trying to say, It was a growth in by year 2017, 18, 19. No, I feel one more. I feel about 2 months. I said, one so much. You must say,
COVID.
The debate COVID. That is something. You know it. COVID. Oh, Poman Baku, when you are covered the same fast work as sitting trencher, a bang with Nagana, you come. Who can cover the audit report now? Cover the person here, say, walk to the fear more from home. Huh? Because the person go for COVID, but not one COVID treat quite deep without COVID man. These are the people managing our economy. One more. To the fear. Number for not one more inaugurated chieftaincy institutions with COVID money. What kind of audit report? No more year insurance. One say, oh, you're from frontline workers. Nurses, when any doctors are PA, it was dangerous. I say, what is the COVID no back when I'm for video American video as a Chinese in Yaku because of COVID. There's a COVID one. It's funny anyway. But the person because you say, oh my, Nini action. Yes, I quite insurance on my frontline workers. Companies are insurance number one. A been one year, enterprise insurance. I can your company, and the deacon. When you put 30% value of the money. Oh my, wouldn't miss according to the report. And was saying, this is your tea higher, you can say, you need any insurance policy document for any of those people are out of insurance amount. And so mind this come on.
Say a query, they will respond. They be a response. Audit report, they said, yeah, 100% correct. They are certain.
Do you know when? No, but so what kind of report? And the report tells you when they put their query, the response that came out. And you back when I demand the can, and someone the again, someone in the one can now report. I've read it too. Maybe what I do is anyway.
Audit report, they were to say, bar. You will never be one.
Don't send me money. I send a report to your capture. Capture response to those querying.
Okay.
But it doesn't make sense anywhere. Some insurance and my work everything. As until ultimate hey. No insurance and mini policy document. So also insurance. I want to do about
that can't be so.
That is the case. There is no policy document. There are no beneficiaries. They are nothing. But yeah, the COVID is happening. So they can't even mention COVID because they benefited from COVID. They got some revenues that they never anticipated from COVID, and they misused it. My companies are reckless. How can you even say this? You are more than reckless. But now, these taxes are about money. The replica effects in this. One back home here, income tax. I have a question. Until what would you pay now an income tax now? You're buying so better. Or by your more. Cameraman, dear Batum, you're budgeting more. Producers, dear Batum, you're budgeting more. Ephraim. But I can't. I'm saying. I am. That is a relative. That is based on taxes. Now you see, but I don't dispute that. But some man who talk America, to a state like Connecticut in America, who drive now who portal or there's a toll-free number that you can call within 24 hours. That portal must be filled or what? See, thank you. And I'm here to talk. You move more how. It's a hot one didn't some for so you know. That is why we are complaining. When woman you men's group boy, nobody.
I said, you know, so bad.
Now, some so they have the men, but the men, that's all my infrastructure. So now they have become
they cook.
I wouldn't be cooking. Only know they are kitchen. Oh, and me and Pierre went. Oh, my head will be.
What promote to men's cook?
Oh, yes. Oh, madam, yes, superb. Superb, but one know when we are on men's cook standard, when they are no encourage. So that's it. So I mean, yeah, back to the taxes. The Americans say, I mean, many animal depressive still. Almost the teacher for nurses, whatever, name them. And even private institutional workers. Would you be a country? Yeah, what do you two full paying with your friends income tax out your employer and about I could hear my buying. Those things are going to be increased. Yeah, but two more. But we are almost working and I could do something. I'm born on the young back here and you will be your mind. So you are still going to suffer. The hardship is still going to be more. What's what the excise duty and so we increasing? What it means is that Saname crowd free, let's say US. na me be do Ghana na bia come duty at 20,000 now it's going to go up the replica effect say kwosoro no a me be twam wa wo so becha na body sanatio so now never born be yet more so automatically your inflation will not be coming down inflation be sa kwosoro more so what I say so amutra na agusu ka bigum enu nti na sa bra no na wo mo opposition no wo mo ba wo mia ya ikoto na nimu tuoko ka asem bi se mama nkoti na memfa nsi
your vice president
ai wo mba wo mia na ada unu so mba wo mia
no Ghana's vice president
yo what say this is 2015 December 2nd NDC has resorted to increasing taxes under the economic difficulties they created. Mamfa wisi answer. So under the economic difficulties amu ba omiya ya woka ho yo. Mezaya na ye hu bi on wa yira yi. A won kasa yi.
Just last week no boss yo.
O kan den. O kan den treme
to give hope
to why. Ono mu hia hope ni bi. O ko ma ko ni. Hwe bi a usu na ni mu a unu so ba. Ba omiya is not one of those people. You be able to say on ba onu amu ni hia hope how can you give me 1 year as I need hope one more
but I don't know what you say onu na the controller of the country.
Did you hear what the Kufuor said about him in opposition was it ba omiani o won na nyansa ni nyina e wo de tirimo no atwe ne ho agina nche na ba omiami gina no kasa no kasa nche Ghana fo won no kire wa kire Ghana fo a wo se wo tue wanim se togoni bi no kire similarities ba omia and now he has become I don't even know what to say about this guy. What does it? So this was his worst. So and this for increasing taxes and economic hardship. So Mr. Covered about what levy Biabra basically in Guzo Jeff and COVID levy. What they are two VAT so. Till Kota dia yeto. E ka hubi. Ahin when you film. I didn't know the These are the things we are talking about. To no hardship no nobody no he has been there what we are having a worse version of that one that he was complaining about a worse version and then you know it don't can be no and no because now his words have become useless because name can be no boy and now to can be am fa now we say was say an NPP government would do differently. Indeed, they are doing differently. And the tax in the one in so, or pay them. The anyhow, what the other?
But now we the foreign companies establish or car companies, but factories set it up. A coin who do a year buying all year, you know, matters of nap.
But
a coin that is also not out.
You poor Mukan.
Why buying to me?
Oh, Quabrazante, Minum go baby, we am quite it. You may find quatching, me found quassing.
Can you see video?
Ukrum kwa hen yaye.
Do naka.
As went to Yano. Take one at you.
No, but just say,
Metrasa, Ukrum kwa sign yaye
to me winning in
now the until Monwas for him, so why you be that. Okay? And Monwas for him say, could not parliament. We have done more than any other government. Who told you?
As we speak.
Who told you?
The data.
They want that. Figures of board you can tell it. Let's not go into the nitty-gritty. I mean, what I just say and break a bit more breaking down.
I'm saying as we speak, that is what the Ministry of Roads.
Eka. O mine.
You also doubt the ministry.
Oh, ministry Ben. Bruce. Now the minister must abandon the question as a permanent.
Oh, but that's very unfair.
To who?
For what basis?
Well, part of your class is a woman.
The road minister.
I am telling you. Let me tell you why. So, do you know the action to take you in the road to see when some aquatic. Demonstrations are workers all year. So, we had made in Podia. I buy more council to you be the only reason. And as one be an every put the position on notice. Born and Kaye be a fin that they be a Bosumia, say the BC. And Kaye be a man. The only answer of a class of your to Jama, Mohammed media for me about to Jaden Abba, say, if in a decro, saying the first and could be going maybe.
But have you been watching the space?
What space?
On road development, construction.
Now I'm in Ghana. Maybe I drive for you. Me Ghana, me plane. I drive.
Me no pepe.
Thank you. I drive. It's a day I was who I mean.
Adofa ayi enungwa ne sprinters ne motorway ene na ofa wacha
oh better sprinters kwan na mahama ya mayen ya dua carry road and there from an Johnson kofa chado ne ekopiem wo Lekma road ne yadade mu ba na mboso pro no mu ja kwan to sa won so wo master page bi on de ba ya so bi ja kwan bi aye e dey investigation go see say one outcome of free investigation by ye mu yesa mo so ma yade nothing came out so a time wasting what say bread say come man ko na nkoso Mafo etim manage me kwan so ye demonstration was so ansa na mani ba mo so amakwata na mu ko ho enne amiam nua I friend say okoboy asa na for ye now
it's been done
it na Adom na stop here wo ba no bi ye kwan da gina na obi jan ne fa so be no so ma edie ma the service industry na ma tam no mo ye an overpass across the motorway akopie mu wo
ba bi edu
I'm coming to the point so na make an aguzuka. That road was ongoing. Uba ebiem jai. No more jai. Eja twa and very na for masande mo mbima they are now back. Second moment was like 2023 we make we kwanda. It's all going now but now once after we had made man. It was ongoing already.
What you had you? Investigators kwana hachu me roll atomic ko wa we ko so.
Say you do kwana nje.
Now how do we construct a road? Because they're okay there. We didn't say how do we construct a road? Even the quality of them. Oh, lawyer power, see a Gigi. So was the rap of the of course. No, about the next one. But about the partner of about the next
okay. Ain't me just you stop your grass process I will go back to the
see how no say sika no nye sika bia
it between and me trust say oh I mean say ain't me just say no kan obi ti obeka say me see sika grass and anya between me school dan why you so na man
oh sir
and you know the solve the economic crisis na you know
you are dealing with economic crisis
president now case oh Quan person of first one solve the economic crisis. Me grass chef. We are not sending it.
That is.
And so we offer a cube of.
Is that what he said? And
that's not
one side President Mama can dispute.
Was this open president?
One side President Mama.
Listen to president. Was this a president? Now, that is not what Mahama said.
Okay, so on the issue of Gracia, Oba, one can
quantity.
In terms of the education, yes.
Into quality, quantity. Exactly. Into no school now, the grandparents, and they call quality school. Now government schools, quantity, and quality. Into quantity and quality now starting with NPP a pencil. Into net free senior high school and then the quantity about now compromise quality. And even that, Mahama President Mahama former T. Oba or the private schools by free senior high schools. No increase quantity no. Or by increase quantity no. Into the uncompromise quality. Is that your analysis? Fine. But sir, but can I what you say? Ye bra ye increase quantity no. Ye make it sure say contact hours will increase. Into when you are now fast one or school now who so bad for you. The fact is when spend 3 months for school or bad for you, and say the contact hours was not increased. GS can in PMP catching. A son say COVID and numbers no akosu you put up measures. Say abofano ko school and me teacher for children and within that same period no contact hours be kwosoro e ma then minister for education aboma topoku prepanapo e ba bentin e be analysis be yanya agi to mo say nkola no do wo mo nche we school mo no contact hours no e high because recreational activities be na niam bia ye yifu e be ye ma mo tumi nya more contact hours no e kwosoro the fact say wo fast one entumi na wo bana wo na comment sorry no entumi kan profit na nche say wo fast ni tie ya mom yenya sana Ghana for the professor na measure somebody intelligence na nya no and ebebua yenyina ya osi ye hwene ama ebeja growth so obi projecting growth in an economy not bad managers ebesom President Kufuor.
Exactly my point.
Senator President Kufuor Baya. Oja 26% to GDP growth debt. Debt to GDP was 26%. Now we look at 56. So we prepare for good. Now good managers the growth you will not get it. Into projections in the over projections at the implementation level no when you very good managers are managing implementation who grow from one sanka into growth now I'm predicting a buy because a kind of reata and now that kwakufado and the NPP abano you manage system to achieve our growth other near just count of fueling generators move up I tell there's move 4 years lawyer cancel come Enti amra na muntumi manage economy no enye sika nto fuel en generate power na edasum for years ye ba no yetumi be manage no emi enya fuel e go generators no e ma na dum so is thing of the past.
It's part of the
countries biara facing crisis today. Talk of Nigeria, South Africa, and then look at the I'm for countries na mo ye hu mo pese mo be kase mo hu a kire mo se na Ghana fo hu a kire mo no and a subsidy so that mo pile debt. Now splash on your face be real. Debt now mo accumulated by subsidy no. Mo person mo get inflation na kwosoro nti. Mo compress system no. And mo hwe ha. And bibia na government absorb. Government absorb nso ntua. Until you are piling up debt, be careful. No. IMF called the Tico Diva. He told them. Until no, yes, sir. And that countries here, woman you're having the soon. South Africa the soon, Kenya the soon, Cote d'Ivoire the soon, and Nigeria the soon. Ghana, you're right. Ghana, you're right. Yeah, to me, manage economy and crisis a hit him, Miribiara, Yenyasika, Etofuer. At the power generators. It is handsome, no. President Kufuor Bejao, debt to GDP, 26% debt to GDP.
And the other course,
Medical 56%. And then the other and you're marking of 56%. And I'm 93.5.
What 104?
Oh, 93.5.
104.6.
Oh, yeah.
Parliament for 12 years. Oh, my 56% will 56% will exclude any public debt, government debt. There's a difference between public debt and government debt. Well, say, 93.5 years, 7 years die. For Sunny Hydro, it was one part of government debt. And this is for one far Terminal 3 airport. Zalo, no matter Ghana Airport Company balance sheet, into 56%. Cocoa syndicated loan and 56 no. But I am a say, you perceive public debt or man Ghana, you perceive a car body. It is a public debt or then we find young back into cocoa syndicated loan a Kawe. Ghana Airport Company loan a Kawe. Extra Sika, a loan, a quadri the extra quadri loan, I can't say the extra debit or me a Sun Hydro 2 billion a Kawe. See, yes, I never way in a man who fall below even 70%. But I'm a physician for the account. It's a mention now. Yeah, with all this NPP, Bosia Yabo, 37% to GDP. The difference. So subtract 56% if you 93 more. NDC, so we 26, 56 more. NDC Yabo, Bosia 30%. It's the double structuring. The only difference between NPP and NDC is 7%. With COVID, everything. Crisis about the difference is 7%.
All right,
I will not do your way. One man for NPP, Bosia Yabo, no man multiply by 12, the exchange rate. No man for NDC, no man multiply by 4.7. Yabo Bosia 400 billion. Opa, young for exchange rate of 12% and multiply one more car, one more boy.
That is not possible.
It is possible. That's how it should be done.
Doctor Engineer Nana Tuata, also a shell.
That's fine.
Good morning, your mind.
That's why MC and
government.
Yeah.
Good morning, your mind. Listening to your program, what's the indicator for quality education? Does it include results? Have we been evaluating the performance of our students within the 4 years? What's it I mean? So one of his areas of the judge quality.
Okay, results. And education.
Maybe to what?
Who program the results and the indication.
Doctor, senior Michelle Michelle. Maybe I'm mini penny and say yes, I agree. Said the results from the schools. Some of the indicators are the market. And when you say quite and I say but you couldn't imagine say there are certain influences you put you up and as a man we put you up. More students now. What TV? I mean, you so dear, some quality any among so much penny for no. But because of those influences in a buy in then quality be young to so one more toast on it. I mine. Ekoba said the almost woman that's what I said, I catch up and we musa. We saw them misbehaving. So what is it?
But no, which yes, the results will be determined. Say system near papa and papa.
I'm not saying anything different from what you are saying.
Best for the past 20 years.
I'm not saying anything different from what you are saying.
LGBTQ, CTY.
What's that?
Q plus the make was it?
Hey, you're running. Now, I'm not saying about Catholic for instance, the rebukes are good for over inconsistent LGBT comments. Now, now the song condemned. You can say inconsistent. That's what condemning when I say no working before.
Condemn. None better this I saw them. Or sick, Papa, and pencil. So we are president.
Okay. All right. So now
I'm walking.
All right. Easy.
Lawyer. We're nice person.
Very good. So now nice.
Very educated. Very handsome.
Oh, Omahina, what's it? What's up?
That pencil there. What's it matter is as a fool.
Before some commented as a fool, now we're no opportunity to talk about it. Yes, yes. We're no opportunity to talk about it. It is bound to happen in this country because pressure be my entire force be able to push us out in a band and my yet 2 young goons who can no and a man be do of or course and was a third opportunity. 10 years. When you a third opportunity to speak to power. Vice President of America and the President Nemu.
No, but what's your problem? That is with the legislators, our position they may determine what the country is moving. Maybe position.
Would you have said that?
No, I'm saying what's
so when I go as President of Ghana, His Excellency President no address Ghana for
the President. I have my position.
Now make I want to see if you were to be the one.
So he has said that, and it is true.
Did you hear him saying, oh, it's not even the government that has put it out there, but private members, we know, and
that is the fact.
You see, that is where I have problem with this man. Who told you Kamala Harris needed that answer for I mean, what did they?
That's why
the moon man, what did they?
Me so me the me
mean come say we dey anan ma wona oye akufo na ya on because on nya hwe da yi you found say da fem pono ne Sam George no and ya evil to o na akotwe na bra na asetano no if you are a person who can speak but speak timidly to issues of this nature timid no I mean the answer wasn't right.
If the answer was not right, timidity does not come in.
Exactly.
That's why he has that's the way he's chosen to
fine. But you see Ghanaians and including the Catholic bishops were expecting him to say something else. Secretary Nipan said
the NDC and the think-alikes were expecting that the president should have been XYZ.
Who are the think-alikes?
Say Biamusu say Adebi was a coca wanka.
Microphone can say, can't for Yasma, California can say,